What if you could own your own finance company and help businesses access the funding they need to grow? Global Financial Training Program is a business opportunity that trains entrepreneurs to launch and operate their own commercial finance company, providing funding solutions to small and medium-sized businesses. Since 2001, the program has helped individuals enter the commercial lending industry by teaching how to provide more than 30 types of business loans, including equipment financing, invoice financing, unsecured business loans, and acquisition funding. This is not a franchise, which means there are no royalties and no territory restrictions. Owners can operate nationwide and keep 100% of their commissions. After completing the 4-day training, graduates are approved to work with more than 30 established lenders, allowing them to offer funding solutions to businesses that traditional banks often decline. With businesses constantly seeking financing and commissions reaching up to 15% on funded deals, this opportunity allows owners to work from home with low overhead and scalable income potential. The initial total investment is $19,950. Inside the full info pack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add Global Financial Training Program to your top picks and request the info pack now.